am the marketing manager here at Kozy Heat Fireplaces in Lakefield. We manufacture fireplaces. Everything is built here unless we get a component from somewhere else that we get shipped in here, but I would say 85–90% of everything is built here. I am going to show you a presentation of how a fireplace is made from start to finish. And let me get this started. Just one moment. Kozy Heat Fireplaces was established in 1976 by W. Husong. He started by building a wood-burning fireplace for him and his dad's workshop. Gas prices were high, so he wanted to burn wood instead. Today we have almost 200 employees working for us. Each department at Kozy Heat relies on different skills, personalities, and education. We need different employees that are good at math, science, art, someone that is very precise, someone that likes to make sales, someone who likes to build things, or someone who likes to paint, and so on. I'm going to go through how each fireplace is made and the different careers that are associated with each department. This is the engineering department. Right now, they are testing brand new wood-burning fireplace. Look at all those yellow cords. Those are probes to tell us how hot each section of the stove is. There are a lot of testing and regulation that goes behind each fireplace to get the right amount of heat, design, and functionality to sell to customers. Our engineers are all very good at math. They're good at problem solving. They understand the science behind fire and metal, and they are very precise. Since the fireplace goes through rigorous testing, we draw up the plans for exact measurements, strengths of steel, what the design will look like, and how it should be built inside the house. Next is a laser. To start the process of building a fireplace, we get a shipment of raw material or steel into our factory. It gets cut out by one of our 3 lasers. Our lasers come all the way from Germany. The laser moves the sheet of metal in and out of the cutting area of the laser. This is a picture of what our laser operator must type in to tell the laser what to do. Once the laser cuts the parts out, a series of moving platforms then drop the cut material onto a pallet. The next location is the brake department. Our brake department runs 6 hydraulic brake presses, which bend our parts. The brake operators will load the software program that is specific to each fireplace to bend the necessary parts. Brake operators need to understand the CAD program that they're putting into the machines. The machine bends the metal for them, but if the machine is off or the metal is too thick or thin, it won't bend correctly. Another department is the button locking department. We button lock the burner before it goes off to the weld department. This keeps a tight seal on the 2 pieces of metal that we're going to lock together. In this video, we are button locking the fireplace before it goes down the production line. After the firebox is assembled, we proceed to assembling the air chute, heat shields, and outer shell. All these components are now assembled to form the structure of the fireplace. Our weld department has various stations that weld components for our gas and wood burning fireplaces. We have several welders that are devoted to welding just our wood burning fireplaces. Everyone in our welding department has gone to school for welding. There are 2 different types of paints we use, liquid and powder paint. Each one is used in different scenarios because of how much heat each one is exposed to. This video, we have a paint operator applying liquid paint to our Bayport 41. In this next scene, we have various components that have been powder painted, and now they're on their way to the oven. From there, we have our gas, valve, and control board department. Here we assemble all the necessary components for the gas valve and control board assemblies. We then inspect every single unit for safety. We check the gas valve, gas fitting, and burners for leaks and function. As well, we check the function of all electronic components. Our control board department puts all the components together like a Lego set. The fireplace now heads down to assembly. The fireplace is fully assembled and painted and ready for the gas valve, control board, burner, and any other components to be installed before it's boxed up. We then inspect the fireplace once again before final packaging. Here in our log shop, we vacuum form our gas log sets, brick refractory panels, and other accessories. In this video, we are pouring silicone for a brand new log set. This will help make more logs easily for future fireplaces. Once the logs are approved, it is then sent to our log sucking department. We have a recipe for each gas log. As you see here, it is now formed before we heat it up in our giant ovens. Each log in every fireplace is handcrafted this way. After log set panels are taken out of the molds, they then go through an oven to cure the material. Once the logs and panels exit the oven, they are all hand painted. This may look like a real log, but it's not. It's a fiber log that was molded and hand painted to look like a log. We use all sizes of brushes to make it look as real as possible. We love how artistic and precise our log department is. And here we are painting our refractory panels. Those are the brick fireplace panels that go into the background of the fireplace. This is what a fireplace looks like when it's on and burning and everything is done. The log that she painted is the same log on the far left of the fireplace. Our shipping department is always on the go with forklifts getting orders together for customers and then shipped out on semis throughout the United States and Canada. We have about 600 companies that sell our fireplaces in North America. We make about 150 fireplaces a day. In our shipping department, you must be good at logistics and you must be organized. And most importantly, you must be ready to fit as many fireplaces in a semi truck across country without damaging them. In our office, we have about 14 people. Such careers include customer service, talking on the phone, human resource department, accounting, sales, and marketing. I currently do the marketing. Marketing is everything with Kozy Heat's logo on it. Something that Kozy Heat is really excited about, and you guys get a sneak peek, is our brand new app that we're launching at the end of this week. It is a build your own fireplace app where you can build your fireplace and use augmented reality and place it in your room. So then customers know what the fireplace will look like before they even buy the fireplace.
The living room is the heart of the family, or it can be with the right fireplace. Get what you want from your fireplace with the Build Your Own Fireplace app from Kozy Heat. We have the fireplace that will fit your space. We're a 3-generational, family-owned and operated fireplace manufacturer. Whether you're retrofitting an existing fireplace, updating an outdated fireplace, even if it's not a Kozy Heat brand, or starting from scratch, we're here to help make your house a home. Do you already have a chimney? What BTU are you looking for? Not sure? That's okay too. Customization is easy. Once you're finished building your fireplace on your phone or tablet, place it in your room. Kozy Heat is one of the last family-owned and operated fireplace manufacturers, and we're here to stay. Visit our website to build your fireplace and find a dealer closest to you.
All right, so that's just a little tidbit of how a fireplace is made. We make about 150 fireplaces a day, 5 days a week. We have the weekends off for the most part. Sometimes it gets busy and we have a little bit of overtime, but yeah. And the app of the commercial that you guys just saw, we are launching that tomorrow. So you guys get an ultra sneak peek before we launch it to the public. The sheet of paper that I had for you guys, it makes you want to go to the App Store and download it. But with your guys' school computers, you're not able to do that. So if you want to type in customize.kozy, Kozy, heat.com, you're able to go through all of building your own fireplace. You just can't place it into a room. You need the App Store for that. But I would love to see what you guys build, what you guys create. The fun thing about this app, it took a little bit to make. but each picture that you see on the app is an actual picture that we had taken. And some of those, like the Callaways, there's over 3,000 different pictures that we took for each individual fireplace. A lot of organization. And does anybody have any questions or anything like that? I know that you guys are doing this for Career Day. Kozy Heat has careers for everybody, for people that are good at math. That's kind of our engineering department, and the laser department. And there's quite a few different career paths for math. I am not good at math. I am good at art. That's why I do marketing. There's accounting and welding, and just a little bit of everything for everybody's preferences.
Heather, I really liked the story you told last session about like the first fireplace and how it all started from there. So do you want to tell that story again?
Yeah, I can tell that one again. So in December of 1976, I'm actually third generation at Kozy Heat. My grandpa started it in 1976 by building a wood burning fireplace that he put into his dad's shop right outside of Lakefield. There was a fuel embargo at the time, and gas prices were really high. So to heat your house or any space with a gas furnace was really expensive. So he built a enclosed wood burning fireplace. A farmer stopped by the shop and said that, hey, I really like that fireplace. Can you build one for me? And then that farmer's brother saw that fireplace and one built for him. And here we are today, building 150 fireplaces a day. And I don't know about you guys, but your parents probably, if they order anything like furniture or appliances or even getting stuff on Amazon right now, takes quite a bit of time. We're experiencing that too. There's a lot of people who want to redo homes and build fireplaces inside their house. So the nice thing about that, well, we are really busy. That makes us very busy right now. I don't know if any of your parents are working here. They can probably tell you how busy we are. But the nice thing with compared to our competitors is that we build almost everything in-house, kind of how when you saw them make the logs and paint them. Not a lot of companies have that, where they get a lot of their supplies and logs overseas and then get them shipped to them, and then they build the fireplaces and then send them out. Compared to here at Kozy, we kind of have a hand touch in every single fireplace. And right now we're adding 45,000 square feet to our building. We're just right at capacity of our block. We can't build any further. So once we have everything built, we'll have a new product line. We'll be making about 200 fireplaces a day. We're gonna have a new office. Right now I'm kind of in an old conference storage room. That right back there is the factory. So we're all pretty excited to move out. We're kind of stuck in here like sardines.
I think it's good to note that QR code, although they can't use it at school, they could use it on their phone once they get home. That'll work. They could join the app, and then you're able. I've messed around with it because I got to see the QR codes first, but I got it on my phone, and it was kind of cool to be able to sit in my living room on the couch and see exactly where I would want to put the fireplace at. And mine was purple and had all sorts of crazy things to it, but kind of fun to be able to see all the different designs you can make. And
yeah,
I think you said it took you like 3 years to develop the app, which is crazy.
3 years. Yep. It took quite a bit of time, But it would be interesting to see how you guys are able to use the augmented reality. I know that for us older people, we're not as keen sometimes to technology like that. I try to make it as easy as possible. It sounds like you were able to do it pretty good. I would love to hear and see what you guys as eighth graders are able to create and work with. But yeah, once you have the app on your phone or tablet and you place it in the room, once you place it against the wall, that's what the actual fireplace dimensions are going to be. So that's how big or small the fireplace would be in your room. And like the Callaway 72 fireplace, that's 72 inches long. That's a big fireplace. So you would really be able to see how big that fireplace would look in your room.
I think we're able to see the students in Windom. Can you raise your hand if you're able to get one finished? Create one? Yeah? Nice.
Nice. Which fireplace did you guys make? I guess I can't hear you.
Yeah, unmute, yeah.
Yeah.
A really big Callaway one.
Yeah, the Callaway 72 or the Callaway see-through?
The see-through one.
Yeah. That was
Nice.
really cool. When you have it in augmented reality, you can actually see through the fireplace. So then you can really get a good look of what that would look like. Yeah, that one's about
JCC,
50 inches long. Oh, sorry.
JCC, did you make one again? I know you made one with the group last time. Heather, do you want to go through and make one on your computer
Oh,
again?
yeah, absolutely. I'll make one quick. I'll share my screen real quick. With
If
you
they want to
guys.
unmute, they could.
Oh yeah, if you guys want to unmute, just let me know and I will pause whatever I'm doing. I'd love to see what other people create instead of just me being around fireplaces all the time. I always kind of stick to my favorites, the ones that I hold near and dear, but it'd be nice to see what other people create. So this is the first screen that you get, whether you're on your tablet, phone, or desktop. This is always going to look the same. So we can go to, I'm going to go to gas. Gas is probably 80% of our sales of fireplaces. Do you have a chimney? I'm going to say no. How's your room designed? Personally, I wish my room was designed modern, but my house is a traditional house. All right, and BTU size means how much heat the fireplace is going to give out. So this would be a pretty hot fireplace. And while 20,000 BTUs is nothing to shake a stick at, it'd be the cooler fireplaces. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to say not sure. And here's all of our different options of the ones that don't have chimney, are gas, and have all the range of heat. For example, the Bellingham 52 is a very hot fireplace. I'm going to, let's do the Carlton 39. You can kind of go through what each of the liner will look like in the back. This one's personally my favorite, the masonry liner. And you can choose a screen front. And you're able to really just make this fireplace your own. And each one of these, I think I told you before, each one of these pictures are a separate photo of a fireplace. It took a while to make. Let's do that one. There you are.
Have you made every single one of these different scenarios?
Yes, a couple times. I had to go through every single
Like
option.
physically, there's a fireplace in the world that looks like one of these scenarios?
Oh, yeah. Each one's this is an actual picture of a fireplace.
Nice.
Yep.
That's what I thought you meant, but I wanted to make sure.
Yeah, no, these are not computer generated fireplaces. These are actual, this is an actual picture of a fireplace, and someone actually painted and made these logs and made these refractories. So, and built these doors and built the whole firebox. So everyone had a little bit of a touch into it, and it's pretty cool.
So my
Yeah.
my purple fireplace exists.
Your purple fireplace exists. Your purple
Wow.
fireplace is in the electric.
Yep.
Yep. Yeah, you can do just about anything you want. Let's do a river rock. And the nice thing with the electrics is that this orange, blue, and blue is that you can do that on your actual fireplace. Gas doesn't have that many options. So let's do blue. And you can't really see the ember bed change on here because the river rock, but let's do white. And then just really do whatever you want. Oh, you guys helped me find something here. Some of these are not coming up, so perfect, because I'm launching this tomorrow, so that would have caused some issues. So, but yeah, that's how you build it. And then on your phone or tablet, once you have the app, you can place this into your room.
Does anyone else want to share what one they made? And then is there any more questions that we could ask Heather before our time is up today?
We just have a quick question here. Why it's saying zero? Oh, hey, top. We have a question. Why is it saying zero for the estimated cost?
Because we were doing, so this is kind of, I realized that the QR code that I sent you guys wasn't working. This was going to be a back end situation where our dealers could build a fireplace and put a cost together and then give it to a customer when the customer comes into their shop. But I took that all out because I decided not to mess with pricing. A lot of our customers, Kozy Heat's customers, are actually dealers like, let's say, Best Buy selling a TV or Target selling some products. That's kind of who our customers are, and they can make their own prices of fireplaces. We just build it and then we give it to businesses, and those businesses sell our fireplaces. And we have about 600 of them throughout North America. Any other questions? But yeah, no, these prices and stuff like that won't show up on the app. Just kind of a back end thing that I gave you guys to be able to look through.